My name is Dworkoski, and I'm a software developer at Conserve It. The alarms feature in PlantPRO monitors when values fall short or exceed an expected or acceptable range. This feature can instantly alert users that there may be an operational issue that could be causing, say, a low flow or a high water temperature. So on this alarms page, we can see that there's an alarm for compressor pressure ratio. So not only does PlantPRO show the time that the alarm was triggered, but it shows the value that triggered the alarm, as well as the upper and lower limit for that point. Users can also query alarms based on the equipment, alert type, date, and a time range for the alarms, or they can query all active alarms. Beyond basic alarms that tell users when a value has exceeded its range, PlantPRO also alerts users when certain more complicated plant conditions have been met through its analytics feature. So this feature is more than an alarm. It looks at current values and historical data to determine if unfavorable conditions have been met. One of the currently implemented analytics in PlantPRO is low load for extended periods on a chiller. So what this analytic is looking at is it compares the average used cooling load with the design cooling load of a chiller to determine if it is low for an extended period of time. This analytic rule is set up to look at 30% of the design cooling load over a 40-minute period. But those values are configurable, so a user could change it to compare to 20% of the design cooling load over a 60-minute period instead. Currently, PlantPRO has implemented analytics for chillers, and when an analytic is triggered, it alerts users through the alarms page. And it will also suggest possible reasons for the analytic being triggered and recommended actions to take. PlantPRO also has analytics for other plant equipment like pumps and cooling towers, as well as for plant level conditions like if the cooling coil is short cycling, which could cause operational issues. The charts page on PlantPRO can chart data on anything from the plant level down to vessels on a chiller, and it's really easy to use. For example, I have charted plant COP with chiller water temperatures. As you slide along the chart, you can see values along with the exact time that they're recorded along all three charts at once. Based on the user that's logged in, charts will show either SI or US units. You can also update the time range on a chart by changing it here to look at more data. So I could change it to last week and view data for all three charts for last week. You can also easily zoom in on a selected period of a chart, and all three charts again will update. The charts page also allows users to export data, clicking here.